This is an old Minnesota title. We're not going to show the guy's name, but from 1984 is when he bought it. That's pretty amazing. So I think this is just sitting here because he had taken the whole front end off to change the engine or something. So we're gonna put a strap over here and hold this. And I'm gonna put a strap in the back. We're only going, it's pretty close to the shop, so I might not have to get too crazy with straps. Flashback to a few months ago, Chubbs came by and he had a couple forklifts that were supposed to get scrapped. Well, I tested and one of them had a good battery, so I kept that battery. Then I found at an auction a forklift that needed a battery, so I bought that forklift. I went to pick it up. I thought it weighed like 3,600 pounds, right? I go to pick it up, there's no battery in it. I hook up to my winch and it snaps my winch cable. Look at this. It is officially snapped. So that's crazy. Then I looked at the forklift. It actually weighs 9,000 pounds without a battery. It weighs like 12.5 with a battery. Okay, that's way more than this trailer can handle. I called my buddy, childhood best friend. He's got a heavy duty trailer. He said, no problem, I'm gonna go get that forklift. I'm gonna bring it to your shop in exchange for fixing my trailer. That's a good trade. Okay, so that's all happening, right? Then I get a call from a guy. Good to meet you.
On camera?
Yeah. For my
You're not
YouTube.
gonna sell these pictures to the county?
No. This is for my YouTube show.
Uh-oh.
But I don't have to show your yard.
Oh,
He said the city has been on his back. He has to get the forklift out of his yard by tonight. So he made me an offer I can't refuse. So I don't know why, but I just bought 2 forklifts in the same day. And I can't pick up his forklift with this trailer either. But what I am gonna get with this trailer is a crazy barn find. It's been in his yard, in his barn, for over 35 years. So we're in a little bit of a time crunch. Just one of those things. You start out in the morning and you think, got a few things to do today, but shouldn't be that big of a deal, and suddenly the day gets crazy on you. Kind of cold and windy outside, which doesn't help things. Dun, da, 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 there we go, fixed. Okay, all this stuff gets put away and we are gonna go get this truck. Believe me, it's awesome. You're gonna love it. We are just exiting a couple minutes from this guy's house. A little nervous. I haven't heard from my buddy. He just told me, like, don't worry about it, he'll take care of it. So this is me worrying about it. I think by the time we get done loading this truck, then we'll touch base with him. And if we have to head over to the auction, we're like halfway there, so. Okay, so he's got a yard cleanup going on. So we're getting ready here. Okay, look at this truck. Come here. '63 Ford F100. Wait for it. Unibody. Look at this. Ford only made these for 3 years. Do you notice this truck does not have a separate pickup box? Like most trucks, you can take the box off. This is a unibody. They made them in long box and short box. It's a short box. Texas truck, all original paint. It's been in this guy's yard for over 35 years. And he hates to part with it, but he's finally ready to. You gotta watch this. So the front end is just sitting on here. The front end's just sitting on here. So if you want to watch as we drag it out, you'll see this thing. It is really solid. Thank you, sir.
1984 I bought it.
And you've had different engine options in it.
I had the Y block in it, and I wish I would have kept it in. And it's got 1932 Ford.
Look at these wheels. 1932 Ford.
Late weld 16.5 tubeless on it. You can see the other, it's got the hubcap. The hubcap should be on the dash.
Oh, is there the other hubcap? Look at these. Look at these. They're from a 1932 Ford.
They were painted 40 years ago with Imron paint.
Oh my gosh.
And it's still like new.
And so this truck came from Texas.
Came from Texas. There used to be an Amarillo. You can kind of see the outline there of an Amarillo from it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And then, so did you ship it from Texas?
No, I saw it up in Shoreview, sitting alongside the road, and I bought it there. And this is one of them things you had to have, like you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know the feeling.
And the worst part about it, I was too big to be comfortable in it.
Okay. Yeah, you're tall. How tall are you?
I'm sort of 63 years.
Yeah.
So I was never comfortable in it. So it's like I never wanted to drive it much.
Got it. So you probably drove it very little in all the time you've had it.
Oh, I probably put a few thousand miles on it.
Yeah. And it was pretty much like this when you got it.
Yep.
And then you put those wheels on it.
Yeah, I put those wheels on. I thought they looked neat. Everybody stopped. What are those?
Yeah, they're cool.
And you got a story.
Yeah, they're cool. They're really
I
cool.
had to make some spacers so that they come out a little bit more.
Well,
Good luck with it.
yeah. Thank you very much. We're excited to do something with it.
Yeah, the doors are straight and everything. You know, it's just like.
Wow.
And you can buy the gaskets for them.
Oh yeah, the weather strips.
And you can buy everything for it now.
And let's see, it looks like the radiator's probably gone.
Yeah, I think it's being loaded.
I can chain it to the front too. Okay, that's good. That's good. Perfect. This is before the independent I-beam suspension. This is the old straight axle. What? Oh, I had to work out some stuff, so I'm not sure exactly how much. 'Cause I bought a few things from them. You know the package.
Yeah. You gonna get it down to Frankensteiners?
No. You
No.
go to Frankensteiner's?
Yeah.
You go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be what? This weekend, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why Robbie's busting his balls.
Oh. Well, you know Chubbs. You know Chubbs?
I think so.
He'll be down there. You either love him or hate him.
Well, that's what a lot of people look.
With a lot of people?
Yeah.
You either love him or hate him?
You gotta go and love him or hate him.
Yeah. But anytime you get, there's a bunch of guys getting junk, they all know Chubbs. Because he knows everyone. We don't want to dent it. I mean, there's only a dent or two. Okay. Good enough for what we got going on. Let's get back to the shop. I bet my buddy's there with our other forklift. And we got to come back here and pick up another forklift. Let's go. But what do you even think about this truck? I think it's so great. Guy has had it for almost 40 years. And when I talked to him last, which was earlier this summer, he was like, no, I can't let it go. He has still big dreams for this truck. Then he called me this morning. He was like, hey, if you want it, it has to be out by tonight. It has to be out of my yard. As you could tell when we were there, he was just like, everything had to go. Either going to the scrap yard to get crushed or somebody had to buy it. So there was like scrap guys showing up, dump trailers. It was a little bit hectic and chaotic. But hey, it made the deal happen. I don't know that I've ever seen one of these in person. A 63 short box Unibody F100 with original paint, Texas history, never been in the salt or snow. It's just been sitting in that guy's barn or his yard for like 38 years. It's got a dent here. It looks like somebody's hit the bumper. Oh, cool. Lubbock, Texas. Lubbock Auto Company. Lubbock, Texas. That is a cool old bumper. Oh my gosh. How many do you find that still have original paint? Maybe got a little bit of rust. This is probably not the original tailgate. It looks like it was white. But I mean, we don't have any rust. These rocker panels are nice. A little bit of, that's just from sitting in the sand for all those years. Even the frame is nice and clean. Leaf springs. Huh. Wow. A tiny bit of rust in here. Not bad at all. Normally they're just gone. And I think that's a Ford 9-inch rear end. If that's the case, it's a great rear end. Because this is 63. We should do like 1960s hot rod stuff. I think a hot rodder would have lowered it. It sits a little high. We need to get some different rims and do a different motor. Obviously, I think we did okay on this. I saw Richard Rollins. Now, it was in Gas Monkey Garage. He went to a swap meet and bought one of these trucks. It was a 57 from Louisiana, but it was red with a white roof. He got it home. He did get it running, but it needed to be restored. But he said this is the way to go, these patina trucks. Yeah, I'm liking it. Well, now we gotta unhook this trailer. I got too much stuff right now. I am like packed to the gills. I should not be buying more vehicles. But I just got a text from a guy. Okay, before I unload this, I just got a text. I gotta measure this trailer. I got a trailer for sale. So let's go measure it.